How to offer draw on chess.com. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can offer draw on chess.com, and here is how to go about it. Of course, the first step is to log in into your chess account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see different options. And the next step is to play a game. So move to the left side of the screen and then click play or start a game, and so you'll be taken to the playing page. So yeah, select whom you would like to play with. I would select play with a boat, and after that select an opponent, then click choose, then select how you would like to play. Then you can customize your settings and all of that, and then click on play. And so, before you can offer a draw, you should offer a draw when it's your turn to move. All right, do not distract your opponent while they are thinking about their move. So, make your move on the board before making the draw offer. So, for example, I would like to make a move, so I'll just select where I want my chess to move to. And then, after making a move, wait for your opponent to move, and then you can go ahead and make an offer. Okay, so due to the fact that I'm currently on a bit on the basic membership, I cannot chat. All right, talk more of making an offer. But for you to be able to make an offer, that means that you are already using the premium version of chess.com. And so if you're using the premium version, you can just, after making your move while your opponent is thinking, go ahead and make an offer and use polite phrases such as I offer a draw, would you like to draw? Just so you can just simply say draw. And after you've made an offer, you'd have to wait for your opponent to accept or to reject your offer. If they accept the offer, the game would end in a draw. But if they decline, you would have to continue playing. All right, so this is it. I'm sorry that I can't show you vividly. It's because I have not subscribed to the full I'm not subscribed to the full package, but for you, you should be able to subscribe. All right. And so this is how it works. Okay. This is how you can offer a draw on chess.com. Thanks for watching and have a good day.